I'm currently sitting on my new front porch step having a cup of coffee. This is crazy. We are in the middle of renovating our camper. We are still living in our house. We will be here for about another month, about 4 to 5 more weeks. So we're a family of 5. We have 3 kids and they are 5, 3, and 1 years old. My husband, Mr. the seed that sprouted, his name is Josh. He works a lot. So homesteading is not cheap. It is not easy. I stay home with the kids and I produce a very minimal income at this point. And we want to build on this business. This is what truly makes us happy. And Josh loves being home with the kids and we love having him home. And he's not able to do that with the amount of overhead that we have here. We saw the potential to sell our home, but we would have to come up with a temporary solution. And that temporary solution is this. So here we are. Our biggest reason behind this entire move is simply to have more family time, to be more connected as a family. We are looking forward to living in 200 square feet, and we are not society's standard and normal. People call us crazy all the time, to our faces. It is what it is. Like, I don't care. I would rather be crazy and I would rather be weird than to conform with what is normal, because that's just really my nature and that's my personality. Like, you tell me to do something and I'm going to do the opposite. Call me a rebel. I don't care. We're going to take our 3 kids and we're going to renovate this camper and we're going to live in it. And this is going to be our temporary solution. And when people ask me, like, how long is temporary? It's probably more of a long-term temporary. We are going to be looking for some land, but we're not in a massive rush because we're going to look for something that is going to be great for us, that's going to work for us. We are not going to look to build a house right away on that land. To be honest, we have a lot of animals and we have a business to run. And the infrastructure behind all of that is going to be priority. We have a place to live right now. And yes, while there will probably be some really crazy times and stressful moments in this camper, I know it's going to make us stronger and it's going to make us a closer family and to live a debt-free life and to have very minimal expenses coming out of our pocketbook every month is going to allow us to have Josh home more often, to be a family of 5. Why would I want him to leave and not live here 60 to 70 hours a week, because that is how much he works, to be able to afford to live here? Like, it makes no sense. It makes no sense at all. And we've decided to just cut ties with that. It is day 1 of camper renovation. We picked up the camper yesterday and got it parked here at the house. I'm in the kids' bunk room right now, removing cabinetry. As you can see here, I removed this one bunk on this side because this is where the baby's crib is gonna go, but we are keeping this bunk for the 2 older kids, and we're removing cabinetry right now to start prepping for paint. Walls are getting painted, cabinetry is getting painted, and we're actually contemplating removing this carpet as well and doing vinyl plank in here because kids.